Time at 6:03. It is looking very good, and actually they cannot have any lightning within 10 miles. They can't have storms within 20 miles because all of that could interfere with a possible emergency landing should something like that ever be necessary, whether they would need to loop back to the Kennedy Space Center.
And we are now less than 2.5 minutes from launch, and Kevin Oliver, what's the latest from over there?
Well, with less than 2 minutes and 30 seconds left, no issues still here at the Kennedy Space Center. It's been a relatively smooth countdown, really no technical issues at all. The biggest concern has been the weather all day. The weather poured out at the launch pad around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Astronauts who are making their first flights on this mission, and he gets it because he's on that flight deck and because of his elevation where he sits relative to the other
Listen in to the NASA countdown to the liftoff of the Space Shuttle Endeavour.
T-minus 27 seconds and counting. Endeavour's onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 18 seconds. The sound suppression water system has been activated, protecting Endeavour and the launch pad from acoustical energy. We're go for main engine start. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Endeavour, completing Kibo and fulfilling Japan's hope for an out-of-this-world space laboratory.
Endeavour, roll program. Roger, roll Endeavour.
This is mission.
Too cloudy.
Steve, the solid rocket boosters, there they go.
And they should only be about 28 miles.
Can't even see it, too cloudy.
Confirms the SRBs, or solid rocket boosters, have separated. 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the flight.
Dang.
Crews started checking out right away to see if there was any damage.
Roman on L1, we'd like high load dump heater to Alpha Slant Bravo.
There's another piece just down.
Right there, so they don't fall with such.
Of course, they installed multiple cameras on this so that they can get every angle of the shuttle and
That's 3 minutes, 20
when these
seconds
pieces
into
of
the flight.
foam fall off and they hit the shuttle and just what kind of damage they